AI might replace my job, and it's kind of scary. So I'm going to show you how Claude is extremely capable of replacing my job and what I'm going to do about it. So in this alchemy lesson, I'm going to show you how Claude can, take this AI agent and make it even better, which is kind of crazy to think about. So without further ado, let's dig in. So first off, what we're going to do is we are going to copy all this code and we are going to paste it into Claude, and we are going to craft a prompt. Hey, so could you help me improve this with adding another perplexity model? And I want this change from, instead of AI news, to look at people on Reddit and see who has like the best business idea currently. Excuse me. All right, so we'll copy this, and it has all the code, and we're gonna see Opus 4.1 code this all out. But I think that like this is just insane. Like it is just so capable for the most part. Because if you saw my last module, you see that I copied it, so it knows all the API keys and IDs, and now it's gonna, just like do it all over again. Because sometimes without context, AI just really, makes stuff up, and it's just not really working with the platforms. But if you use N8N code, it will actually like have like a good idea on like how to code it all out. And N8N is based on JSON, which is like the primary language that it all works on. So this stuff is pretty impressive, not gonna lie. Alright, and then key enhancements. Second perplexity model refocuses on business discovery aligned with your goals, 2-layer intelligence, and yeah, pretty impressive stuff. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this, we're gonna delete all of this, we're gonna click these 3 dots here, import from file, open this up. Wow, bro, look at that, guys. I don't know why this module is stuck on top, but yeah, that is just crazy. So we took our news agent and we basically gave it, all the API keys, IDs, and just everything, and it just recreated it. Bro, that is insanely impressive. And it gave us like a spreadsheet on like how to use it. Pretty impressive. So now we're gonna actually test this out and see if it works. So, hey, can you look for Reddit for some business ideas on SaaS and AI wizards? Yeah, unpin this and send. Holy crap. Bro, I have never seen this. What the heck? That is just weird. I have never seen this in my life, and I am just impressed that this is all working. What the actual Hey, I don't judge. Wow. Holy crap, guys. I am even impressed. I did not know AI was that capable of. AI powered customer service for chatbots, local businesses, AI driven bookings and client management. Pretty good idea. Educational courses on AI integration for small businesses. What we're doing right now. Niche SaaS for reputation and review management. Company platforms for local services. Wow. Holy. Wow. Amazing stuff, man. As you can see, if you already have like an automation and you just want to like, edit it for like a different purpose, like Claude is amazing at just like redesigning things and like giving you what you want, which is crazy. And I think that my job is just to educate you guys on like what is just possible, because this is absolutely insane. I don't know how this all works, but yeah, this is week 1. So I hope you guys will continue with us into the next week. But yeah, I think we ended it on a very strong note, and I am just blown away. So see you in the next video.